Leaving behind the charming town of Placerville, our Gold Country adventure continued as we made our way toward another historic destination, Sutter Creek, California. Our drive took us along the scenic California State Route 49, better known as the Golden Chain Highway. This famous roadway winds through the heart of California's gold country, connecting many of the historic mining towns that played an important role during the gold rush. As we traveled through the rolling hills, majestic oak trees, and peaceful countryside, we couldn't help but imagine what this landscape must have looked like nearly 180 years ago, when thousands of hopeful miners journeyed here in search of a better life.
Look at Mother Nature on the run in the night.
No journey through gold country would be complete without remembering John Augustus Sutter, the Swiss pioneer whose name has become forever linked with California history. Although John Sutter never discovered the gold himself, it was on his property at Sutter's Mill in nearby Coloma where his carpenter, James Wilson Marshall, discovered the first flakes of gold on January 24, 1848. That single discovery changed California forever. News spread across the United States and around the world, bringing hundreds of thousands of dreamers, miners, merchants, and entrepreneurs to California. Communities like Placerville, Sutter Creek, and many other gold rush towns grew rapidly, each becoming part of one of the greatest migrations in American history. As we continued our drive along Highway 49, we appreciated how these quiet roads now carry visitors searching for history instead of gold. Before long, we arrived in the beautiful town of Sutter Creek, often called the Jewel of the Mother Lode. One of the first things we noticed was a collection of historic black and white photographs that beautifully preserved the town's early history. Looking at those old images, it was fascinating to compare the bustling mining town of the 19th century with the peaceful and welcoming community that stands here today. These photographs remind visitors of the hard-working men and women whose determination helped build this remarkable town. From there, we began our walking tour through historic Main Street. Walking through downtown Sutter Creek feels like stepping into another era. Beautifully preserved brick buildings, historic hotels, charming boutiques, antique stores, art galleries, cafes, and specialty shops line both sides of the street. Every storefront has its own story, and every block reflects the rich heritage of California's gold rush. One of the things we enjoyed most was simply slowing down and taking our time. We wandered through the streets, admired the architecture, browsed the local shops, took photographs, and enjoyed the warm hospitality that makes Sutter Creek such a special place to visit.
Well, I dreamed I saw the silver spaceships flying in the yellow haze of the sun. There were children crying and colors flying all around the chosen ones. All in a dream, all in a dream, the loading had begun. Flying Mother Nature's silver seed to a new home in the sun. Flying Mother Nature's silver seed to a new home
The town has managed to preserve its historic character while creating a welcoming atmosphere for visitors from around the world. It's easy to understand why so many people consider Sutter Creek one of California's most charming small towns.
I've been to Hollywood, I've been to Redwood, I crossed the ocean for a heart of gold. I've been in my mind, it's such a fine line that keeps me searching for a heart of gold. And I'm getting old, keeps me searching for a heart of gold. And I'm getting old. Keep me searching for.
After our walking tour, we decided to treat ourselves to a well-deserved ice cream from one of the local shops along Main Street. Sometimes it's the simple moments that become the most memorable. Sitting together, enjoying our ice cream while watching visitors stroll through the historic downtown, gave us a chance to relax and fully appreciate the peaceful atmosphere of this beautiful community.
Southern man, better keep your head. Don't forget what your good book says. Southern change gonna come at last. Now your crosses are burning fast. Southern man.
Before beginning our drive back home to Sacramento, we made one final stop at Miners Bend Historic Park. Located along the quiet banks of Sutter Creek, this peaceful park preserves another important chapter of the town's Gold Rush heritage. Surrounded by mature trees and the gentle sound of the flowing creek, the park offers visitors a quiet place to reflect on the miners and early settlers who once searched these waters in pursuit of their dreams. As we walked through the park, we explored the historic displays and interpretive exhibits that tell the story of mining in this region. Standing beside the creek, it was easy to imagine the determination, perseverance, and hope that once filled this valley during the height of the gold rush. Today, Miners Bend Historic Park serves as a beautiful reminder that history and nature can exist together in perfect harmony. It was the ideal place to conclude our visit to Sutter Creek and reflect on everything we had experienced throughout the day. With our visit complete, we climbed back into the car and began our drive home to Sacramento. As the miles passed beneath our wheels, we reflected on an unforgettable journey through California's gold country. From the birthplace of the gold rush in Coloma, to the historic streets of Placerville, and finally, to the timeless charm of Sutter Creek and Miners Bend Historic Park, every stop told a different chapter of California's remarkable story. This wasn't simply a weekend road trip. It was a journey through history, a chance to experience the places where ordinary people chased extraordinary dreams and helped shape the future of the Golden State. More importantly, it was another wonderful day spent together, discovering beautiful places, creating lasting memories, and appreciating the rich history that exists just a short drive from our home in Sacramento. Thank you so much for joining us on this memorable journey through California's gold country. If you enjoyed traveling with us, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Bond 313. Be sure to click the notification bell so you'll never miss our future travel adventures, historical destinations, hidden gems, and community events from California and beyond. Your support means so much to us and inspires us to continue exploring and sharing these wonderful places with all of you. Until our next adventure, thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe, God bless, and we'll see you in the next video.